the stars above the sky.
2026 with creative design as our main theme.
And the moonlight touched the ocean's face, then drifted into gray. If the sun with all her golden fire lit the world and had to fade, still you'd stay within my silence, like a promise never swayed. You stay every time, and the morning light defines the leaves away. You're the quiet pulse beneath the sun, the calm I reach when the world spins round.
My course within the physical communication design.
Yeah. Actually, when we like noise, the radio.
Like a flower bending toward the dawn, smiling softly to the breeze. You move through all my seasons now, in gentle ways that set me free. You live between the hours that pass, the echo in my days refrain, the warmth that lingers after storm, peace that softens every pain. You stay in my time, in every breath I take, like morning light that finds the leaves away. You're the quiet pulse beneath the sound, the calm I reach when the world spins round. When I lose my way in the dark again, and the nights feel long and cold, your memory walks beside